Okay, this is an example of an equation with rational exponents. I'm not going to do the even for you, so I'm not doing 26 for you, but I will do 27 for you just because I felt like doing the odds today. So again, just like with every other equation that you solve, you want to try to get the variable by itself. And to do that, we are going to start by adding 9, right? So add 9 to both sides of your equation. So I now have, and I'm going to write it a little bit bigger and a little bit over here so I have a little more space, a negative 4, oh darn those b's, to the 6/5 power, so negative 4 times b to the 6/5 equals, and negative 265 plus 9 is a negative 256. Divide both sides by negative 4. Okay, so when you do that, oops, that cancels out of there, and you have a b raised to the 6/5 power, and that equals negative 256 divided by a negative 4 is a positive 64. Okay, now you are raising both sides to the 5/6 power. Please remember though, guys, this is is an even number. So when we do this over here on this left side, 5/6 power, right? 64 raised to the 5/6, our calculator can totally handle that. All right, when we do 64 and we raise it to the 5/6, we get a 32, but remember, because it was an even numerator, we have to do positive and negative 32. Okay, and that one's that. I feel like I probably should have just put the other one on here, and I didn't. Let's see if it'll keep recording as I like add another slide. Oh, it is. Let's see if it'll show you like everything as I'm adding the file. Let's see what we got here. Let's add this one. Oop, import. I'm wondering if it looks like it's still recording. Oh no, it started a new slide and a new recording. Darn it, I wonder how this is gonna work. I might have to go back and redo it. Maybe not, we'll see. Okay, so again, not gonna do the even for you. This is another equation with a rational exponent, but I will do the odd for you. And we start with, as always, isolating that variable. So we're adding 8 to both sides. So we get a 5 times the quantity 2x minus 4 raised to the 2/3 power equals a 20, right? Then we divide by 5 on both sides, right? So that's gone. So we get a quantity 2x minus 4 raised to the 2/3 power equals 4. Okay. And of course, to take care of the rational exponent, we're going to raise it to the 3/2, right? The reciprocal. But please remember, I can't stress enough, this is going to be an even number, or this is an even number. It's not going to be. It is an even number. So when we do in our calculator 4 raised to the 3/2, you are going to get an 8, but you are going to write positive negative 8. So 2x minus 4 equals a positive negative 8. That's terrible. I don't know what's going with that plus sign. There we go. We'll just make the minus sign even bigger too, so it matches. Add 4 to both sides. I'm going to put my 4 in front, and I'm also going to actually kind of shrink some of this down so I have some space to write. Sorry. So we've got 2x, okay, equals 4 plus or minus 8. You are going to divide everything by 2. Divide that by 2. Divide this whole side by 2. So you get, I'm up in the upper right side now, x equals 4 plus or minus 8 divided by 2. You get 2 answers. Your first answer is x equals 4 plus 8 divided by 2. So 4 plus 8 divided by 2 equals a 6. 12 divided by 2 is 6. And then x equals a 4 minus 8, divided by 2. So negative 4 divided by 2 is a negative 2. Check them both by plugging them in. They both, that's a terrible check mark. They both end up working. That's not much better, but those are your 2 answers. All right, now I got to figure out what's happening because I think this might have created 2 videos. We'll see.